At the time, Iao Valley was having trouble protecting their waters. And many of our iwi kupuna are there, the bones of our ancestors, the bones of our ali'i. And he found it very important to put it into words how important our water is. And I brought this hula back a couple years ago when we were starting to have our issues at Pu'uloa and how the water was tainted and contaminated there. And I wanted it to be a mele that I could share with my haumana, my students, to remind them that when they're adults, to not be irresponsible with water as well. Because we don't know what the world, our island, is gonna be like when they're adults. And so we need to mālama all of those things so that they are maika'i when they're adults and taking care of their children. So in this hula, Hanohano o Maui nui a kama, we recognize the importance of water, but also aloha ʻāina, to take care of the land. Kali'i ka'aina, the land is our chief. Yeah, just because we own it on a paper and maybe we pay the taxes on it, the land is still most important, and we need to mālama that. And so this hula, Hanohano o Maui nui a kama, is a reminder to us all. Ai, Hanohano o Maui nui a kama. Hanohano? Hanohano o Maui nui a kama. Kamale hiva hiva kualo kelani. Hanohano o Maui nui a kama. Kamale hiva hiva kualo kelani. Aya kawai ola? Aya kawaiola kahe mahali kani o poli anua o iao. Aya kawaiola kahe mahali kani o poli anua o iao. O kalavelo nai ke havava awaya ulu ke aloha uvai. O kalavelo nai ke havava awaya ulu ke aloha uva ai. I waikapu kamakani o koloi o koloa e kapiko o kahalavai. I waikapu kamakani o koloi o koloa e kapiko o kahalava ai. Vai vai o ai luku huli. Vai vai o ai luku ina makamaka. Makahehi e nā kupa o ai ehu. Vai vai o ai luku ina makamaka. Makahehi e nā kupa o ai ehu. Ehu ehu mai nei o wai he e alava pono no na kupuna. Ehu mai nei o wai he e alava pono no na kupuna. Uana e kawehi, uana e tawehi o ku'āina. Hanohano o Maui nui a kama. Uana e kawehi o ku'āina. Hanohano o Maui nui a kama. E ala, e ala, e ala, e ala, e a e. E o na vai e ha. Mahalo nui to Paula Akana and the staff here at ʻIolani Palace. Many of them I've known for years and years throughout my life, even as a child. Noilani, Lori, I used to dance hula with her. And so we mahalo you for inviting us here, but also continuing to perpetuate our arts and our culture here at ʻIolani Palace. We leave you with this last hula.